Okay, guys, we went flying today, but now we're fishing.
Fishing for the airplane.
Dave's little plane kind of went over the fence into REMC's lot, and
Couldn't get it to turn for me.
have to wait till Monday to get it if we can't fish it out. Mikey's fishing here. Uh-oh. Probably gonna have to go through the barbed wire.
I don't want to throw it 15 feet over there and try to drag it back. But
There you go. They might be able to guide her that way. At least we can get it over here next to the fence. You can work it up, yeah. All right, got under it. Uh-oh. Ah, it got away. Yeah, dang it. It's exclusive styrofoam fish.
It's got wings too.
Yeah, flying styrofoam fish. Uh-oh.
I don't want to touch this, right?
Hook.
Now, give it a little bit more lead on the hook, so hopefully I can hook the prop there with the hook, not the styrofoam. Hey, let go of the weeds now.
Can't get your hand through there, Mikey. Uh-oh. He's hooking on everything but the airplane. That like a treble hook? I don't think it would hurt the styrofoam even if you hooked it with it.
Well, I was hoping it's going to get snagged in the...
Oh yeah, I think you got it by the wing there now. There we go. Now we're cooking. Now we're cooking. We caught us a fish.
How long is that fish?
I think it's legal limit.
Awesome. Good hook. Didn't hurt it at all.
All right. Good job, Mikey.
Good catch and release.
Yeah, real
Yeah. Good catch and release.
Catch and release.
Now Dave don't know if he wants